Installed apps in Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now to view all installed apps in Android, what you can simply do is launch the Play Store application on your device and make sure that you have logged into your account. As you're logged into your account, simply what you need to do is tap on the search bar and you can just search for all the updates over here. So let's search for updates. And we search for it, you'll be able to see the option of see updates. So let's tap on see updates and let's tap on the option of updates available. So let's tap on it and here you can see all the apps over here. These are all the apps that needs update, but if you want to see what are the apps installed in our Android, tap on manage, and as you tap on manage, here you'll be able to see all the apps over here. So you can just scroll down and see all the apps. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.